Hello and welcome to BISP Solutions. I am Anjali, and in today's video, we are going to see the usage of range function to create rolling reports in NR application. So basically what range function does is that it returns a range of members based on specified start and end members, and also it is commonly used with current POV dimension to create a rolling report that displays month before and after the current month. For example, 3 months before through 3 months after the current month. So let's go to our NR application. So this is my NR application interface in which I have already created the connection with my vision application of planning. And I have also created the data source and library. So I'm going straight away to the reports which I have already prepared with the name range report. So for range function, we can use it along with the relative member as well as along with period offset. So in this report, I have used the relative member function. Okay, so what relative member function does, it span across a single year, optionally across a scenario dimension. Okay, so let me just brief you with all the members of this grid. This is column number A, which represents in the period we have selected the range from January to current POV. So my current POV is August month. So in report, we'll see for actual scenario, the data will come from January to our current POV, which is August. Next is column number B. So how I have added this column? Right click on A column, select insert after data. So this column will get added, column number B. So in this period has range from relative member of current POV +1 to December. Okay, so the next column is column number C. So this column, in this period, I have current POV. So basically column number B and column number C is for financial year 18 and for scenario plan, and column number A is for actual scenario and financial year 17. So HSP view is base data, version is working, entity is no entity, and product is this. And I have not set here a period because we are creating a rolling report, so we have given period here in all these columns. All right, so let me just show you how to select this range from period. Select members. So from here, view all functions. Okay, so here we can see this as range. So when we select range, it will ask for parameters from member to member. So we have provided here from January to current POV. All right. And in similar way, I have given for column number B, member range from relative member of current POV +1 to December. And similarly for column number C. Okay, so I have also given here separation. So how I have done that? We'll click here, conditional properties, click on suppression. So if we want to give the suppression for column number B, say, so we'll click on column number B, then we'll go to suppression and then we'll add this. Okay, so I've already created the suppressions for column number B and column number C. All right, so let's preview this report. Let me show you the smart view of this. So this is the report for financial year 17, in which I have the figures from month January to my current POV month, which is August. So as you can see, all the members here and all the figures from January to August month for the scenario actual. Okay, so this is for financial year 17, and this data is for financial year 18 for scenario plan from August to December. As I already told you, for relative member, we can view the result in our report for a single span of a year. Okay, so let's go to the report and check this. So as we can see here, we can see the month from January till December, and this is August month of my current POV. I can also, if I uncheck this in my grid, it will not be shown. Since I have not done that, I am able to see this month for plan, for plan scenario, financial year 18, and for August month. So this is how you can see the function range here and how we use this. Okay, so this is how we use that range function. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.